You're probably wondering, where in the world are we? Well, we're on our way towards Hoover Dam. We left the, let's see, we left our rental place this morning, a couple hours ago probably, well, hour and a half or something like that. But we're going towards Hoover Dam today, and then we're going to plan on staying in Las Vegas tonight. But we were driving along the road here, and my brother saw something he wanted to come back and take a look at. So let's go take a look at it. Wasn't that? It was. Oh, wow. What in the world? Man alive. Looks like it goes way back there, too.
My flashlight doesn't help from here.
Wow. Anything back here? Yeah, I don't have my light. Man, how far back does it go? Woohoo! So you're just back to here, it looks like. You got a light?
Not helping much, but yeah.
Yeah, this is as far back as it goes. Huh. Wow. Yeah, we're not going to go any further than this.
So is this natural or?
No, I'm sure it was dug out. That's my thought. Yeah. Wow, cool. Oh, okay, there we go. Wow. Maybe we'll take a closer look at these ones over here too. Huh. Cool. Right, there we go. That was kind of interesting first clip of the day. Wow, just right along the highway here. Got some mountains over, oops, on mountains over there. Interesting. About 60 degrees out now too, so we got that going for us now too. Beautiful. Driving in Nevada right now. For a short stretch we were in Arizona. That was a little while ago now. Okay, we're almost to Hoover Dam. Up here there's apparently it's a overlook of something. A bridge plaza or, well, we'll see. Okay, we are right there. There's Hoover Dam. Here's Memorial Bridge. Okay. Looks like we walk up switchbacks. Okay. So I can either go up and walk up doing switchbacks all the way up or just take steps. I think I'll take the steps up. All the way down, all the way up, I mean, from down there. Comes into like this. Well, okay, I'm not gonna take a time look at all that. Well, I'm at the bridge level now. I get out on there, I should be able to see Hoover Dam. Oh boy, high bridge. Oh man. It'll be fun to cross. Enter at your own risk. Oh man. You see the beginning of Hoover Dam there. Haha. Oh man, look at that. Oh. Yeah, holding up back all that water. Oh, there it is. Man, alive. Oh man, long ways down too. Oh gosh. Oh man, look at that. I'm not going to go all the way across the bridge. That's what it looks like here on the bridge. You can look around the other direction too. Man alive. Okay, I think I'm going to walk back now. I mean, there's no reason to go all the way down there. I can see the entire thing right here, so. I wanted to see Hoover Dam, and I did. There it is. Amazing. Incredible. Man, of all things, I almost forgot to do the selfie video. Of all places, I gotta do that here. Oh man, alive. Let's take a look at Hoover Dam back there. Oh man, see if I can do this. I'll get on there. That railing kind of wow. Woo. There we go. Kind of look around behind me again here. Just kind of look from other side. Ah. Man, this is so high. I mean, even with the railings here, it's this kind of, don't want to lose my equilibrium, you know, that kind of uneasy weakness in the knees or something, or in the feet. It's just amazing. Oh, man. Okay, one last look at Hoover Dam from up here. And there we go. Heading on down the road. Go down to the car. I don't know where we're going from here though. I think we might drive across it. I'm not sure. Okay, there's the bridge we were on just a moment ago. So it's Nevada on this side and then Arizona on the other. Oh man, look at the Hoover Dam up there. Park here, I wonder, or not? Nope.
I don't know.
Over there, that's paved. Oh, it looks like.
It's probably going to be pay everywhere.
Yeah. Where's the visitor center?
I'm not sure. I'll have to check.
Okay, we're going across Hoover Dam right now.
dinner.
Hey, I gotta get my massage.
I think there's parking over there, I think. $10 for parking, wow.
I think we'll go back to the other side and park over there.
Okay. Okay, we're going back across Hoover Dam again. Gotta record this, you know. You better look out there through the water.
I get all that for you.
Yeah, auto lake and auto river.
Here's the exhibits there.
Yep.
Must be closed or something.
Welcome to the Winged Figures of the Republic, which was sculpted by Oscar J.W. Hanson. This work of art was designed to honor
Going in. Okay. Okay, we got parked in the parking garage. Oh, let's go take a look. From here. Oh man. This is amazing. There's the bridge. Oh man, I was up there. Oh, it's freaky. Hard to imagine. There's Hoover Dam there. There it is. Got the road in the way there, but look how down close to the base of it. Man, this is amazing.
Well, I hope that's supposed to lean like that.
Huh?
I hope that's supposed to lean like
Oh
that.
yeah, I hope so. I'm taking the stairs down. My brother's taking the elevator. Meet him at the bottom. Try the other side.
Did you see? I should make like this face. Like this. It's too cute. You can make a serious face.
Oh, damn. Yeah, I think I'd pass doing that. No, I came all the way down and I sat there and waited by the elevator for a while. But my brother never showed up, so I don't know where he is. I texted him, but I'm gonna go walk on the Hoover Dam now.
For more exhibits and information on the Bureau of Reclamation and the Colorado River. Oh, and don't forget to rub
Feet.
your nose in the statue. Local folklore has it that this will bring you good fortune.
Huh. See.
Welcome to the Winged Figures of the Republic, which were sculpted by Oscar J.W. Wilson. This work of art was designed to honor the accomplishments of the building genius of America. In the same way the pyramids represent ancient
No wind.
the Colosseum represents Rome. At first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive flagpole that proudly displays the American flag.
Ooh. Oh. Okay, going out on Hoover Dam on the water side, heading over to Arizona. Let's take him. There we go. Looking down. Oh. Gosh. That's Lake Mead. Let's see what this says. Anything interesting? Okay, water of the United States, one of 7 selected by the American Society of Civil Engineers. Yeah, no doubt about it. Oh gosh. Oh. Man, alive. I'm gonna come back on that side, so that's gonna be something else. Almost to Arizona. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh, you know, I gotta do this. I forgot. There we go. Look down. There's Lake Mead behind me. Oh, amazing. Of course, there's the other side. There's the bridge back there. Yes. If I can get there. Oh, I was up there too. Okay. All right. Let's go to Arizona, and I'm gonna come back. They have a crossing now. I'll cross over there. Just looking back, I'm almost to the end here. Just want to stop here and kind of see this. I wonder what's on the other side. I'll be looking over there. I'm gonna go over further down and look back again, but I assume that sometimes the water has been up that high before, so looking at the canyon walls, so I would think, but that's probably quite lower than normal, I think. Whatever normal is. Normal is when there's no dam at all. Okay, just came a little bit further, and that's what's on the other side of that hump right there. Huh. I assume sometimes water is high enough where it flows down into there. My guess. Oh man, life. This is amazing.
But do you remember what the task was?
Yes.
What did you say?
Hmm. Okay, I'm going to head down there, then cross over to the other side. Oh man, that could be something. Looking at the discoloration on the dam, I would assume the water has been that high. I would think, but man, that would put it like right below me. And it would cover all that. Fascinating. Wonder how much electricity is generated right now. Okay, I'm gonna cross here. Oh boy. Do I want to look over the edge here or not? Right here probably is not too bad. No. But look at that. Gosh, how in the world is it even possible? Gosh, I'm gonna go over there now. Oh. Oh, here goes. Oh, this is getting good. Here goes. Danger, keep off wall. You don't need to tell me that, man. Oh, looking down. Oh, man. I got the camera panned out as far as I can go. Okay, here, Hoover Dam. Oh man, I gotta hang on, you know. Brace myself. Well, really can't. Amazing. Let's go take and go all the way around here. Switch hands. Oh. Man, this is just downright amazing. Okay, let's walk further on. Looking down, right below me. Oh. Wow. This direction here. Further. There we go. Hookins down. Man, my. Go over here.
Get closer. Get closer. Alright, let's go this way. Woo! Woo! Good Lord! Throw this mask out.
It's just on my face.
Yeah, it's amazing. Hold that back like that. Ah. There it is. Oh. Oh wow. That's what it looks like that direction. See the Lake Mead over there. Yeah, it's just fascinating.
Oh yeah, we see about 60.
Okay. Standing on top of history, and I won't argue with that, no doubt about it, it is. You can pause and read that if you want, just slowly go down and look at this map here. Okay, there's the dam, and you are here. That's where I am right now. Lake Mead, and then Colorado River. Fascinating. Oh, okay, there we go. 726 feet above the base, alright. 40 feet wide at this point. Called the crest of the dam, and 660 feet wide at its base. Okay. Oh. Okay, got different things they can buy, I guess. Well, close here. There we go. Get a view of it right from here. I'm all the way across now. Gosh, that is amazing. Closer look at it. Okay. Alright, that's the same thing as what we saw in the earlier. Okay, I think let me look at those again from here. Oh, got a little breeze now. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to head back up that way. My brother has not come out here. He went to the visitor center. It cost $10 for a self-guided tour. Okay, so I'm going to head up that way anyways. Oh, heck with it. Gotta look one more time from here. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Get as much of it as I can. I got my camera panned out as far as it'll go. Gosh. It's just amazing how they're able to build this thing. I braced myself. The wall is about waist high on me. There's the beautiful bridge. Oh, that's a nice shot there. Me under the bridge. Go all the way around here. Ah, yes. And there we are. Back to the beginning. Oh man, I just gotta do that one more time. There we go. Okay, this time I'm gonna head across the street. You can cross right here. That was my first time touching a palm tree. Must be a different kind here. Maybe not. I don't know. Just taller. There we go. That's my first time touching palm trees. Today was my first time seeing them, in fact. In person, that is. Beautiful. Okay, one more clip from Hoover Dam here. The dog who owned a dam. Hoover Dam mascot only acted as if he owned the dam, but without a doubt, he owned the hearts of its workers. He freely wandered around the job site, opened their elevator, and would bark at that for everyone to get off. But yeah, there he is. The commissary prepared him a single daily meal, which he carried to the job in a paper sack. But see, he died when he fell asleep under a truck. It was run over by a driver who did not see him. Grown men wept as they got jackhammered a tomb for him in the rock next to the temporary ranger station above. We chased ringtail cat through the dam tunnels and challenged visitor sogs, which were not allowed at the dam. These are life of the people living in Ragtown, a tent city. Okay. The road Big Bertha had a capacity of 150 men and one dog. There's Big Bertha. Anyways, here he is. There's where he's entombed, the dog is. Let me take a look. He was found as a puppy by workers at the construction camp. Traveled to and from the dam site with them and spent his days visiting the many work areas. On February 21, 1941, the life of this devoted animal came to an end. The truck under which he was sleeping rolled over him. The grave below was completed by workers later that same day. There it is. Something I never even knew. Just learned something new here. But I'm waiting for my brother now. I think he might still be in the visitor center, but we'll see. Talk to you later. Okay, one more Hoover Dam thing for this video. Saw this Lakeview overlook. There's Lake Mead down there. Gosh. Look at that.
I said Hoover Dam, not Hoover Dam.
You see how high the water.
No, shush. No.
I believe it does go up to that. How low it is.
Hey, look, Grandpa, Papa, huh? I spooked Mom going up the hill. Yes, Mama?
Imagine the water comes all the way up there. You're gonna see how.
Yeah. I said,
Man, alive.
it's cool.
And this is the lake created by Hoover Dam. Let's take a quick look around how it looks
You guys want to see?
all around here.
I found a cave. I spooked. Mom got spooked. I said Mom got spooked when I was driving up the mountain. Who you think it is? Yeah. I enjoyed it.
Hey, of course, it's a national recreation area now.
That was good.
You see our Hoover Dam is. Oh, so that Boulder Bay is in. And there's Lake Mead. Okay, wow. That's how it is. Hmm. There it is. Lake Mead behind me. Go all the way around. Even the parking lot. Wow. There we go. Well, we're in a room. We each got our own room here. Hello. This is the bathroom. I'm in this room and my brother's in the next room over. There's a shower. There I am again. Let's take a little look around the room here. Look at that big setup. There's the window. Kind of look at the angle of it. You're kind of wondering, maybe wondering why it's like that. Well, believe it or not, this is in Las Vegas. See, I really can't see out the window, I guess. All the lights and stuff must be on the other side for the most part. Really can't. You see my reflection more than you see outside, but but anyways, where we're staying at is the Luxor in Las Vegas. So we'll be staying here one night, and one thing about this room, it has no refrigerator and also no microwave. So you know they really want you to kind of force you to eat here. You know, pay for their food and stuff. But I went down to the car and I made some sandwiches and I brought them up here. So I'm going to have a couple sandwiches for supper tonight, and I got some crackers to kind of hold me over. And I brought up my cold drink too. My flavored water I brought up here. And then I'll have also, I made 4 sandwiches, so I'll have 2 tonight and then 2 in the morning for breakfast. And then I can use the cold water, refill my drink, and I have some more flavoring in there. Anyways, this is the room. Gosh, I forgot to see what time it was. Yeah, looks like there's no clock in here. Yeah, there's no clock in here. So let me take a look here. Okay, it's 7:40 p.m. right now, and I'm just going to be staying up here, not going down to the floor to gamble or anything. It's really a clean place, I would say. Kind of fancy, I would kind of say, but not having the refrigerator and microwave kind of is a bummer. But anyways, I think that's going to be about it for. I'll probably do a video in the morning when it's light out, and then I should be able to see out the window when it's light out, and then you can see what the view is like. But there we go. All right, I'm just going to take it easy now and have a couple sandwiches, and that's going to be it for tonight. So I'm not exactly wild. So all right, okay, thanks for watching this video, and